Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Aubrey's Wishlist. You're viewing right now, and I am Audrey, the face of this channel. For all these times you have found me, I mean those who are not new, they have seen me and they have known that I come usually with some sort of a look on my face that I've created, and I would just show that off and then I would just go away. Just like that, without any highs and hellos and things like that, or without any conversation, just the way I am doing right now with you all, right? I really thought that we would just, sit with a lot of time in our hands and speak a lot about who am I in the first place. You don't know me as a person. I would give an introductory speech about how I came into this platform in the first place. What are my views? What are my opinions? Stuffs like that. The circumstance is not like that currently. I'm just here to say some things and I'll just go after that. Not taking a lot of time from your lives. Just that with everything going on around us, especially I am an Indian, and in India things are really getting worse day by day. And in this situation, every day any phone call at any weird time makes me tormented. What people tend to do is they just are so engrossed with the physical problems, the physical stuffs, that they forget their minds. I have always been in the quest to find peace. Even before this pandemic, I've always been trying to see what all can make me feel happy, and I do some crazy things. Okay, I stand in front of the mirror when I'm sad, and I just talk with myself. These are crazy things that I do, and I think that one thing that I am doing right now is just finding that one particular thing that makes you all happy. So I am basically continuously in search of that one thing that can bring some sort of peace, some sort of happiness in my mind. I have found out my love for makeup. I always knew that colors make me happy, and when I realized that makeup is something, it's very versatile, and I think that is the only key for us to stay sane. This is a secret, okay? I sometimes even plan for my wedding. Like, honestly, it's fun to think about what all you're going to do in those times. And I have always loved to, manage events, such things, especially when it comes to anything, family programs or stuff like that. I always take part. Even if you find happiness is something like, writing a program, maybe do that. I do not keep my mind idle, because idle mind is devil's workshop, and I don't want it to be that, because already there's a lot of negativity going around. And I'll keep on creating looks and keep on bringing them up to you, showing them to you all. Just for my own sake I do it, but when you all see it, and if any of you just get encouraged by any of my looks, and if you want to further do some experiments with your own looks, that will be an achievement from my side. That's it, that's all. Just stay happy. We can't do much against nature, but we can do a lot again for ourselves, about our mental health. I definitely wish to come back to you all with a chatty session some other time, but I think that's it for today.